Tired of spending time and money at the repair shop? Take control of your bike's maintenance with these 4 high-performance bike tool kits, your ultimate partners for every ride. This 30-piece Swiss Plus Tech kit turns complex repairs into quick fixes. With everything from a chain checker to pedal wrenches, you'll be ready for any breakdown. Made from high-quality carbon steel and stored in a durable shock-proof case, it's built to last as long as your passion for cycling. Whether you ride mountains, roads, or parks, this kit keeps your bike in top shape anywhere. The AO Panda 48-piece set is your mobile workshop. More tools mean more possibilities, from simple tune-ups to full rebuilds. Its compact case keeps everything organized, and its versatility means you can also fix other gear, not just bikes. Perfect for beginners or pros who love saving time and boosting performance on the go. Made in Taiwan with lifetime quality assurance, the Bike Hand Kit is professional grade, yet honestly, it's super simple to use. With over 20 precision tools, this set gives your bike shop-level maintenance right from home. Durable, precise, and trusted by cyclists all around the world. It's your long-term investment in smooth rides. Need the perfect balance between portability and power? The Cyclist 35-piece kit delivers. Each tool has its spot in a tough, easy-to-carry case, so really, no more clutter. Strong carbon steel construction means reliability, while compatibility with all bike types ensures you're always ready for any job, anywhere. Stop waiting for repairs. Start making them happen. Click the link below to get your bike toolkit from the official site and keep every ride smooth, safe, and unstoppable.